So we will be talking about the structure of our lesson here in IPC B, or if you are in Earth and Space Science B. So the learning goal is you will be able to describe the procedures and routine in our classroom. So this is our classroom here. And as usual, we have an expectations for all video, and all video and this video and Canvas are the only windows open, right? When you're opening your Chromebook. And you should only have computer open when watching instructional video and not doing your other homework from your other classes or even playing in your Chromebook. You only have a limit of 20 minutes to have your computer open in your desk. And then you will be taking down notes using the Cornell Notes template while you are watching the video. Make sure that you will only be writing down everything that's in color blue. All right. So the next one is the Cornell Notes. So Cornell Notes, part of the Cornell Notes that we are going to take are the vocabulary. So you have to take notes because especially in science, we have a lot of vocabulary and important terms. In physics, IPC, you will be taking down notes on equations. All right. In Earth and Space Science, you will be taking down steps and how to arrive with the different data. So this is how our Cornell Notes work. You will write the title over here and then the rest of the informations. Okay, next. All right, key number 2. To complete the lesson, you must first watch the video and take Cornell Notes. Log into your Canvas and Chromebook and access the instructional video. Remember, the time limit is only 20 minutes. Alright, so all lessons have a video you take on notes using the Cornell Notes sheet. If there are questions in the video, they are graded for participation and not accuracy. It's okay if you get them wrong, but at least do your best. If you take more than 20 minutes to complete your video, then you will lose the computer privilege that day, and then potentially for the rest, permanently, you will be taking notes using book. Right, key number 3. After the video notes, close your computer. And the next part of the lesson is your classwork or your assignment. And this will give you more practice, all right, of the lessons or the science concept that you just learned. When you are done with this, you can turn this in to your class bin for credit. By the way, you can work with a partner. This doesn't mean that you're cheating, okay? Right, so classwork are when you practice more science content that you learn. You can work with your partner, but remember that you are practicing for mastery check because mastery check is done independently. So classwork are graded for accuracy, and you will be asked to revise if I see any problems or if I think that you're not ready to take the mastery check yet. So this must be done before you take the mastery check. Key number 4. After you turn in your assignment, complete the mastery check. Get the mastery check from me, Ms. Finchley, and take it independently in the table right here next to my table. This one will show that you mastered the lesson and you can move on to the next lesson. I'd rather catch you guys with the wrong or the misconception you have before moving on to the next lesson and you did not have any clue of what's going on with the unit. Okay, so I will let you know if you can progress or not. All right, mastery check. Mastery check are when you show that you have mastered all the objectives in that lesson. And this must show 90% accuracy or above. And if you're not there yet, I will be asking you to revise it. And don't worry because revision is good. This means that you will have more understanding of the work you have done and this will lead in the higher score in your tests and quizzes and in our project later in this unit. And remember, there's no phone during the mastery check. You can only have your phone if you are on pace, so remember that. So after notes, we do our assignment, and when you are finished in 0.1 classwork, you will turn that in the class bin. Look for your class period. Get the mastery check from Miss Finchley, and if you have your phone, because you're on pace, you will have to give it to her so you can take the mastery check. Complete it at the designated table right here. Alright, so now you're done with the notes. Go on to the lesson 0.1 and do the classwork. You can get this in the 0.1 tray on the file table. Alright, so thank you and good luck.